Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video I'm going to show you how to unsend a message in Messenger. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app, give your login details and log in. Now on your screen you can see options like menu, create new message, search bar and all conversations. All you have to do is select the conversation where you have the message that you want to unsend. I'm gonna select this message. Then all you have to do is long press on the message you want to unsend. Then options like edit, reply, copy, more and reactions will appear. I'm gonna tap on more. Then you can see other options like forward, bump, pin, adword effect and unsend will appear. Then select unsend. Then from the bottom of your screen you can see options like unsend for everyone or unsend for you. Tap on unsend for everyone. And guys, that's it. That's how you unsend the message in Messenger. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.